Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we had Swiss interest rate this morning, and they did lower rate 25 basis points, and now they have 0% interest. Caused a pretty good push down on the US dollar Swiss right at the 78% fib. Now, because the trend is down on all the higher time frames, I definitely would primarily, now that we had a breakdown at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely be back to looking for shorts. Now, a lot of times when you get these big impulsive moves down, you can get a pretty good pullback, sometimes up to a 78% pullback. But I would definitely be looking at that as possibly the end of a correction right here, and possibly now continuing the downtrend because all the higher time frames are down. Higher time frames are definitely your friend. If the trend is down on the higher time frames, then you need to kind of assume anything you see to the upside on the shorter time frames is nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.